So the question is, what is the smallest number that must be added to this number so that the sum is divisible by 2, 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 6. So the first thing we need to do is find the LCM of this term. So it will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2, 1, 3, 2, 5, 3. Then we will take 3, 1, 1, 2, 5, 1. So the LCM is 3 into 2, so it will be 60, the LCM. Now the thing is, we have to divide this number with this LCM. So we'll do this. So it will go one time, so it will be 6, then 9, 3. So we'll take this 9 and it will go 6 times. So again same, 3, 9. We'll take this one, 9, again 6, 3, 6, 0, then 3, 9, this one, 6, again this one and this one. Sorry, it will be 9, so 9. So it will be 3, 6, 0 and it will be 9. So as there is no 9 left, so this is our remainder. So now we have to make this number something that will be totally divisible by 60. So we can do this in two ways. Either we will subtract this value from this one and we'll get a number that will totally divisible by this one, but the question says we can't subtract, we have to add. So another way is we have to add something with this remainder so that the total number will divisible by 60. So what is the easiest way? So the next number after 39 that is divisible by 60 is 60 itself. So how much we need to add to make it 60? It's very simple. It will be 60 minus 39. So it will be 21. So our answer is 21. So if we add 21 with this number, so the total number will be divisible by 60.